Welcome to Sleep with Psychology, where we rest beneath the quiet light of questions too vast to answer. Tonight, we drift through the unknown, the mysteries science still chases through the corridors of thought and time. In the calm between discoveries, where data ends and wonder begins, we find the softest space, a place to breathe, imagine, and remember that uncertainty is not failure, but invitation. Close your eyes and let your thoughts expand like galaxies unfolding in silence. We begin at the edges of knowing, where curiosity becomes peace. The origin without a beginning. Before time began, there was what? Science can trace the universe back to its first instant, the moment light burst from nothing, but not before it. What came before the Big Bang? A prior universe collapsing? A loop in time? Or perhaps before has no meaning when time itself has yet to exist. In physics, questions are not always doors. Sometimes they are mirrors, reflecting the limits of what a mind can hold. And maybe the beginning isn't something we find, but something that continues, always beginning again. The shape of consciousness. Neuroscience can map the brain, its folds, its flickers, its firing patterns, but not the feeling that lives inside it. Where does awareness come from? How does matter become mind? Some call it the hard problem of consciousness, the question that bends even logic into awe. Perhaps thought is not in the brain, but passing through it, like wind through reeds, a melody made visible in form. The hidden language of dreams every night. Our brains invent worlds, realer than logic, stranger than truth. Science knows that dreams repair memory, balance emotion, and spark creativity. But why these stories? Why the symbolic shifting theater of the sleeping mind? Some think dreams are evolution's rehearsal for survival. Others believe they are consciousness speaking to itself, a dialogue between the rational and the infinite. In dreams, the brain stops asking if things are real and starts remembering that everything once was. The memory of water carries more mystery than almost any substance on Earth. It expands when frozen. It can dissolve, transport, and cradle life. It has structure that changes under temperature and vibration. And some studies hint it can remember molecules long gone. Science can't yet prove this memory, but the idea lingers, like reflection on a still lake, that water might hold whispers of what has passed through it. We are mostly water. Perhaps in some quiet way, we too remember more than we know. The matter we cannot see. Look into the night sky. 95% of it is invisible. Dark matter and dark energy make up most of the universe, yet we've never seen them. They hold galaxies together, shape cosmic expansion, and still, their nature remains unknown. It's a strange truth that what we cannot see is what keeps everything else from falling apart. Maybe the same is true within, that our unseen depths hold our inner universe together. The quantum mirage. At the smallest scale, particles flicker in and out of being, both here and not here, real and unreal until observed. Quantum mechanics explains how, but not why, reality behaves like a thought, shifting with awareness. When physicists look close enough, they find uncertainty woven into existence itself. Perhaps reality is not built from things, but from possibilities, and we live in one wave collapsing into meaning. The force that binds gravity, so ordinary we forget it's still a mystery. We know what it does, binds stars, bends light, keeps our feet against the turning world. But what is it? A curve in space-time, a shadow of mass, a whisper of something deeper still. Even now, gravity resists full explanation. The universe's quiet reminder that not all truths can be measured, only felt. This has been Sleep with Psychology, where curiosity softens into calm and the vastness of the unknown becomes a cradle for the mind.